Welcome to Volume 5, Issue 26 of the Milestone Investing newsletter. This week's ex-dividend date is the 27th of June. Okay, what's going on this week? We have 4 candidates delivering 1.6 billion. British American Tobacco is the big one at 1.2 billion, and then we kind of got some crumbs with the others: Burberry, British Land, and Experian. Now, to call £73 million crumbs is actually quite funny, but in the scheme of things, this is crumbs on this level, in this chart anyway. So let's jump through and have a look at what we can expect. British American Tobacco is 36.5, professionals, Burberry 35.3, British Land 28.7, and Experian 21, and non-professionals 9, 8, 7, and 5. So this week's candidates, we can see that the best performer going short is British American Tobacco at 63%, and Burberry at 67% for going long. So I just want to look at these two for a second. Let me pick on Burberry very quickly. Burberry is here. What we want, if we're going to go long now, what we want these to be small numbers. So 0, good. 20, problematic. 0, good. 6, that's within a week. 0, good. So the lower this number, the better it is in terms of track record for going long. We want this to be a small number. Welcome to Volume 5, Issue 27 of the Milestone Investing newsletter. And this week's ex-dividend date is the 4th of July, 2019. If we look at Burberry, we were in this range between the green and the red line on Wednesday. We immediately gap to the break-even line at the closing price here. And then from here, it bounces up straight away and then goes sideways. And towards the end of the day on Thursday, we see a nice move up. And then on Friday, everybody noticed this. It gapped up, and then basically we just went for the heavens. And it kind of plateaued around 12 o'clock. And it just kind of just said, we've done the move. And then today it gapped up again. And then it peaked around 11:15, went sideways and started to come back down again. I mean, this one was absolutely fantastic. And up until this point, this would have been a 60% premium, by the way, for long traders. Around 65%, I think it was, premium. But then if you stayed in some more, you got even more. And again, that's because the market was very bullish. So what was the return? Burberry paid a dividend for professionals equivalent to 34.9% and 8.7% for non-professionals. Now, let me be clear, because I mean, I know most of you guys know this, but I'll be clear. When I'm quoting these numbers, I'm quoting the derivative dividend return, not getting a dividend based on buying the shares. So if you buy the shares, then those numbers will be much, much smaller. But when you base it on the derivative, the reason why it's higher is because you're only paying down a deposit. You're not paying the full amount. And that's why you're getting these enhanced dividend numbers. And that's really the secret of leverage. That's what leverage is, what's causing this to be the case. And that's one of the magic ingredients of making a lot of money. You need leverage. And that's why the property market works, because of leverage. And we're getting the benefits of the property market right here. So our dividend is our rent. Our capital growth is the property price increase. And we can do all of this for less than the price of a £400,000 house. We can jump straight in and pay equivalent of 18 quid and get all the same benefits as a property market. And that's why I love dividend fishing. Because I used to be a property investor, and I used to do all my analysis on spreadsheets. And then when I came across this model, I just thought, hang on a second, this is a property deal. It has the ingredients of a property deal. And so instantly, it got my attention, instantly. And I said, okay, let me see what I'm looking at here, because I could recognize it straight away. And all I did was just type numbers into a spreadsheet, and instantly I saw a property deal in front of me. And instantly I loved it. If I was never a property investor beforehand, I may never have appreciated the magic of this system. But because I was, and I could see the numbers, it just jumped at me straight away. So that's why I got very excited about this one. And I got so excited, I decided to teach you guys it. That's all for this week. Happy investing.